Welcome to this introduction to the particle cloud. In this video, we are going to explore a complete ecosystem designed to make Internet of Things development faster, easier, and more reliable. If you have ever wanted to build a cellular connected device but were intimidated by the complexity, you are in the right place. So, what exactly is Particle? It is not just a hardware manufacturer, and it is not just a software provider. Particle is an all-in-one platform as a service that integrates hardware, software, and connectivity. It is designed to solve the hardest parts of IoT, like secure communication and cellular networking, so you can focus on building your specific product. The ecosystem is built on three main pillars. First, there is the hardware, which includes microcontrollers and radios. Second is the device operating system, or firmware, which runs on the chips. And third is the cloud, a secure gateway that manages your devices and data. These three elements work together seamlessly out of the box. Let's look at the hardware. Particle offers a range of boards for different needs. The Boron is their primary cellular device for LTE networks. The Argon and Photon 2 handle Wi-Fi connections. There is also the tracker specifically for asset monitoring. All of these boards are designed to be production-ready, meaning you can prototype and scale with the same chips. Running on that hardware is the device operating system. This is intelligent firmware that abstracts away the complex networking code. It allows you to write standard code, similar to Arduino, while the operating system handles the secure cloud connection in the background. It creates a stable foundation for your applications. The heart of the system is the particle cloud. This is where your devices connect. It acts as a secure API gateway. You can use it to remotely control functions on your device, read sensor variables, or use webhooks to instantly push data to major cloud providers like Azure, Google, or Amazon Web Services. One of the biggest pain points in IoT is cellular connectivity. Particle solves this with the EtherSIM. It is often built directly into the device and works in over 100 countries. It automatically finds the best signal, and you do not need to negotiate with phone carriers. It is a truly global, plug-and-play experience. For developers, there are tools for every skill level. The web-integrated development environment lets you write code in your browser instantly. For professional work, Particle Workbench integrates with Visual Studio Code, giving you powerful debugging features. There is also a robust command line interface for advanced scripting and management. Perhaps the most powerful feature is over-the-air updates. Once your devices are deployed in the field, maybe atop a mountain or in a factory, you do not need to physically plug them in to update code. You can push new firmware to one device or your entire fleet securely through the cloud in just minutes. This technology is used across many industries. Asset tracking helps companies monitor shipping containers. Environmental monitoring protects forests and waterways by tracking sensor data remotely. And in factories, predictive maintenance monitors machine vibrations to prevent costly breakdowns. To summarize, Particle offers a complete ecosystem where hardware, operating system, and cloud are tightly integrated. It prioritizes connectivity, provides excellent developer tools, and allows you to scale from a single prototype to thousands of units easily. It is a powerful way to bring your connected ideas to life.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.